Hello and welcome everyone. This is Less Than a Minute. We're going to talk about the difference today between altogether and altogether. Both of them are pronounced the same, but they're written differently. The first one is two words, the second one is one word. Now, altogether, the first one means in group. For example, they're all together in this project. It means all of them are together in this project. The second one, altogether. The second altogether means completely or entirely. This project altogether is not going to work. So this project completely is not going to work. So the first one, in a group. The second one, completely or wholly. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.